just found my new side hustle. ASMR all the way. What's up? This is Cole with HGTV ASMR video. We're gonna make some weird sounds today. I got a whole table full of fun stuff. This is a paintbrush. Kinda sounds like crinkling paper. Here's a harder brush. Kinda sounds like Velcro. I'm gonna play with a few screws. Here's some smaller screws. Kinda sounds like some money. Oh, here's some sandpaper. I'll just do it on my face. Maybe I could use that to shave with later. Here's 2 wood blocks. Let's just rub them together. I could get used to this stuff. It's kind of satisfying. Here's like a speed square thing. I can't remember the real name. But we'll just slide it up and down. That's kind of cool. This thing's to pull weeds, but we'll scratch some shit. I'm gonna scratch a piece of wood. Nice. I got some pig food in a cup. This is what gets the pigs excited. Now we'll drop it in the cup. Here's a ratchet wrench. Here's a tape measure. So here you go. Alright, enough of that. I want to make a little noise. I got some broken safety glasses here. Good enough. We're starting fires up in here. I'm pretty parched. I need a drink. Wait, let's get weirder. I'm gonna wear my daughter's hat. Here's a stapler. nail some stuff together. It might be loud. Uh-oh. Ah! Just kidding. Here's 2 sponges. Here's the soft side. Here's the metal snips. I wonder if we can make it make any sound. Sounds like a cricket. Alright, watch yourself, it's gonna get loud. Alright, we're gonna bring in the hand grinder.
What are you doing?
I'm playing in the barn. This is what I do in here.
We got work to do.
I guess. So long for now, my friends.